Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hear footsteps better in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So all you need to do is go back to your PlayStation home screen, then go to the settings at the top here, and then you want to go to System Software, Update and Settings, and you want to make sure that your system is up to date. If it's not, then you need to update it. After you've done that, you want to go back, go to the sound option, and you want to make sure that audio output is your headphones. Just make sure it is selected. And after that, you want to go to volume, accessibility, audio focus, and here you can turn it on. Now, in order to hear footsteps, instead of focus type boost voices, you're going to choose boost high pitch, which amplifies high frequency sounds like footsteps. So we want to make sure to turn it on. Then you can adjust the level, weak, strong, or medium, and you can see audio preview and see if you like it or not. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.